In the first episode, you saw us embark on something unique with our Ninja H2 using an Exor helmet and a Carbonado bag. And this episode, we show you the result. The Ninja H2 is quite inspirational with its design and the whole aura around it, and hence the helmet and the bag also had to be something which no one had built before, anywhere in the world, at least on this planet. Presenting you the Exor XPHP Ninja H2 3D helmet and the beautiful Carbonado XPHP Ninja H2 Shuriken bag, which complements the bike and the helmet beautifully. The AX BHP H2 3D helmet mimics the front face of the H2R with the front split into two to make way for the beautiful blue visor. You can also see the air intake grills if you look carefully. The front also has the green speed lines of the bike. The front is finished off with the Exor helmet's 3D logo. On the left is the unmistakable supercharger. On the right side we have the stock golden exhaust. Moving on to the top, the helmet morphs into the fuel tank, and continuing to the back, it gives way to the tail section of the bike. On either side there is a green and blue light module. The whole helmet itself is cocooned with the trellis frame of the H2. We have kept it grey in this one to match our 2017 edition Ninja H2. Moving on to the Carbonado bag for the H2 that we have created. The Ninja hand with the Shuriken was an obvious choice, and we were glad to acquire the 3D file on the web for this project and customize it. The Carbonado bag was an obvious choice as well for this project, since it provides a solid base with the color we wanted. The bag itself is extremely good for motorcycling. But you know what, let us go for a small ride with the H2 and these two amazing pieces of artwork.